how to download and add Google Translate extension on Google Chrome browser. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to chrome.google.com, or you can just search for Chrome Web Store on Google. And now all what you have to do is go here and search for Google Translate like this, and you will find it as you can see. Now click on it and click add to Chrome and click add extension, and it's gonna be added to your browser. After after you finish, all what you have to do is you will find it right here, and here is how you can use it. As you can see, it's very easy. All what you have to do is select the text that you want and click on your right mouse and click on Google Translate. Then you choose the language and everything is gonna be done. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.